Hey guys, I am back with another video, and if you see me with this on in my previous video, it's because I am recording about 3 videos today. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is free. You don't have to pay for anything. Just hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bells for upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be giving YouTube tips on first starting out on YouTube. So my first thing is to just make that first post. I know it could be difficult, or it could be difficult for you to even put yourself out there, or you're discouraged that it's so many other YouTubers out there that are thriving, and maybe like, oh, if I do the same thing they do, maybe I won't get up there, or I won't get as popular. Once you make that first post, you'll think like, oh, that wasn't so bad, and you want to just keep on posting. And just think of it as like, if you are discouraged to post and stuff like that, or if you're scared or stuff like that, just think of it like you are the only you, and the video that you may be posting, somebody probably posted already about the similar topic, but nobody has ever seen you talk about that topic or do that certain thing in your video. And that's kind of going to set yourself apart from everyone else. So don't really think about everyone else and just make that first post. I know it was difficult for me because when I wanted to do YouTube, it took me 2 years until I actually did it. And once I made that first post, it wasn't as bad, and I just kept making another post and another post after that. So the second tip I want to give is to use the camera you already have on your phone. You can use your phone to record your videos. You don't have to spend a lot of money getting an expensive camera off rip. Like, you don't have to do that. Okay, I didn't get my camera until later on, but I definitely used what I got. So the first thing I used was a Q Plus, and I had an iPod. I just used whatever lighting I had. I just used a lamp to just put right in front of me and just did my videos. So I basically just did that. Tip 3 is to improvise with what you already have. Just use what you got, make it work until you can get the things that you want. So my 4th tip is to don't worry so much about making the video perfect, because you can psych yourself out trying to make it right, and then next thing you know, you don't want to post it. Basically, having a YouTube channel is a process. You learn as you go. I was still posting videos as I was still learning how to edit, learning how to do all this different things on YouTube. Tip number 5, do a video on something that is trending. So if you want to get your channel to pick up, you can use trendy topics. I know right now, if you're like a gamer, I'm gonna just use it as an example. So if you're like a gamer and you want to start a YouTube channel, right now the popular game is Among Us. So you could probably just show like a video of you doing Among Us, or whatever new game that is popular and trending right now. 6 is to be consistent. This is something that I struggle with. I'm not saying like post every day. I'm saying like having like a scheduled time of when you post. If you also have any tips, please comment down below. I'll see you in my next video.